On this day, I was so excited to be cooking because I had something planned for Netflix and chill, which was catfish pepper soup and yam. This yam is actually new yam. On the day I was getting it, I felt it was too expensive. I wanted to go for a cheaper alternative, and the aboki told me, madam, dat yam wey you dey carry, you go put sugar, put sugar, put sugar, e no go still sweet. No be person tell me. I went back to pick this one back, and looking back at what happened, I don't regret buying this yam for one bit, because this yam is truly truly amazing. It was really delicious. I enjoyed it. It took me down memory lane, but that's not the point for this video. Here I'm just gonna chop my yam into pieces, and here is my enchow, what you guys call scent leaf. We call it enchow where I come from. So I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not cutting it really tiny into tiny bits. I'm just cutting it into big chunks like I did here. And I'm going to pour hot water on my catfish. This is for the slime to just go out. You can see it there, and you don't need to touch it. You can just shake it, the slime will just come off. You see me trying to scrape it off the skin of the catfish with my knife, but you gotta be careful doing this. Here I'm just going to put in salt into my yam, then pour enough water that can cover the yam into this pot. I've already rinsed this catfish with another cold water. I'm just going to add my pepper, onions, crayfish powder, pepper soup spice, salt, and seasoning cube. That's basically all you need. I'm just going to add water, then put this on the stove for it to cook. Here my yam is already ready. Then I'm going to add my scent leaf, aka nchow leaf. So I'm going to cover it. This food is the only food you can cook without stirring. So you just basically shake the pot, because if you try stirring it, you're just going to break all the fish into pieces. So I like my yam to marinate with the fish and soak up the pepper soup water, and some people prefer you adding the yam when they're about to eat it. So either ways it works. So at this point I'm going to serve my odogo silencer. Yes, he deserves the big portion. This is how I decided to serve my odogo silencer. This is his portion and this is mine. It was really nice and we really truly enjoyed it. Tell me if you'll be trying this recipe out. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our WhatsApp channel. Bye.